Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve, KM9G. A while back, I made a video about how to program your radio for contacting the ISS. I want to do a quick update today because I left the PL tone off. So take a look at that video, wherever it's linked above here, and that'll get you the basic programming set up for getting all the other frequencies in for listening, and then come back to this one here and we will go over how to set up the transmit. Stick around. All right, let's jump right into it. I have my Raspberry Pi all configured. I have Chirp loaded up on the screen for you to see. And I'm going to click Radio, Download from Radio. We've already got it set up for downloading. Let's go ahead and clone in all of our station memories. Okay, here's all my station memories. And if you remember, I put the ISS frequencies at the bottom. And we started out with the transmit to us and ended up with the receive to them. So here we are, line number 65 in my setting. Might be different in yours, but this one is mine. I'm going to choose tone mode, and I'm going to change that to tone. And then I'm going to choose the tone. I'm going to change that to 67. And then I'm going to say radio, upload to radio. Now we're uploading again. And that's all it takes. So thanks for being awesome.